mopo, police, soldiers, everywhere. As I dey enter, na so they slap me. Even na the mark where they slap me for eye, na in day like this. So now the hand where they give me slap that day, na in black like this for my face. My sister, no be small thing. No be small thing. Since 2005, now I don't dey this community. 2005, where they carry me from village. That 2005, I dey like 16 years old. Now they carry me come, I can't dey serve one woman. After when I can't do house girl or finish for Lagos, because I no get brother for Lagos, I no get sister, I no get anybody. I can't dey here. Finally, that 2005, now I come Ilaje. I come here, say one of my brother dey here. Now I come meet that my brother. I come dey here with him. But the area, as be say na Lagos State, the place where we dey, you know, it will be like saying na ghetto somehow, na ghetto. But everybody need to hustle on his own to feed, because you know dey easy for you. If you know hustle, hungry don't kill you with that. My sister, plantain we dey roast, orange we dey sell, banana we dey sell, rice we dey cook, dey put for cooler, dey sell mama put. Na so we dey carry and dey hustle, dey go island, dey go everywhere. Na so we dey hustle, so that we go fit chop. Na so we dey till I come gather money rain shop. As I come gather money rain shop, I come dey sell beer. After when I come dey sell beer, I say, God, thank you. I don't become big woman now. Big woman we don't get shop. By then, my mama for village, my sister, my all these ones, they call me, auntie, send money, one pay school fee. I say, don't think they me, where I be madam. That's how they sell money. In fact, now me be the breadwinner for the family. Now me they carry everything along. Now so we dey. Our life done better now for the area. Say nothing happen. Now it can't reach you. Government people can't enter. They can't give us quick notice. Our landlord they say, "Me, no worry. Say nothing they happen for the area. Say everywhere standby. Yeah, don't they for how many years ago? Nothing they do. Nothing they happen for yeah. Me we dey. We believe we dey. We dey happy or we dey do. Can't reach one money. Now just dey because me too. I follow they live for this area too. For our Akpako house now. You know say na Akpako we dey live. Now so my daughter come from there come. Mommy. Come see people. And I say which people? I can't jump. Mommy, which people? You can't say, Mommy, can't see. Before I go wrong, come. I don't they see, remove. Now I can't say, remove. Where would they remove? They go. I run, come call my landlord for phone. Landlord, you they see this thing. Landlord say, no worry. Now today they come. Nothing go happen. I say, okay. Landlord, I believe you. My sure landlord. I even buy one bottle. My landlord drink. Now so we come they do sure landlord. We come they get hope. Come they get hope, they go. Finally that day, I don't buy fall. I say, I go buy meat where I go use do pepper soup. My daughter don't go school. Now I just dey. I dey hear phone they ring. I no pick her. I dey hear phone they ring. Before I come pick her, my neighbor come call me. Mama Oluchi, where you dey? They don't finally come today. Now today, they don't come. Now I say, which people come? They say they don't come. They don't remove. Now so I run, leave my bucket of meat where I don't pay money. Kata. When I come, caterpillar everywhere, mopo, police, soldiers everywhere. As I dey enter, now so they slap me. Even na the mark where they slap me for eye, na in day like this. Now the hand where they give me slap that day, na in black like this for my face. They no give me enter. When I want enter, they go give me slap. When I want come, I let people they beat me. Before I come, they don't even remove my container. I no see container. I no see freezer. I no see crates. I no see anything. Now so I carry hand put for head. I can't see my rush go house. My children they don't dey outside. That one don't run from school, come back. Don't dey outside. Only waiting if we jack outside. Now only Ghana must go where we put our clothes. They don't pack everything. We don't even know where house they. We don't know where this is. The people just they cry. All of us just they cry. Now so we just they cry. Somebody like us now, where we never marry. We just born this pikin based on how we take they do our things that time. For a get away with day. I saw I dey with my children. I get 3 children. Now so we dey. Nobody to help. Nothing. my brother, my sister, as I dey tell una like this, now under bridge now we dey live. Under bridge now we dey live. Now so we dey manage. Like this now. The other my daughter, no dey go school. No school again. That one don't go hustle corn. The other one don't carry abacha go sell. Now today I say, okay, make I manage there. Me, I don't go sell my own rice, come back. Now I dey like this. So nothing to chop. Oh. As the mosquito, they feed us like water. Yesterday rain, it fall on top of my children hair, both myself. Yesterday rain, it too much. This cloth, why I even wear like this? Now one of my friend, I him bring am for me. Now he see me like this, I change with this cloth. Now she can't even say wetin happen, we done too much. Now they carry me go one place. Now they help me do this hair, make it no be like I look like mad person. This hair, where you see so? Now my friend, I help me do am. I no do hair. If you see me before, as when you say una come, na go even say na mad woman be this. Now she can't say it done too much. Now I gather watch face, they can't go do this hair for me. I beg go, Mona help me. Even though na need job, make I see go do. Make I see money, find one room, rent, make my children they sleep. Make I see money, find room, rent, make my children sleep. Make me they work, come they visit them. I go like am because this one done too much. If I can't carry myself like this with all the big name, madam, where I don't be, so I don't get Paco shop they live, can't go village, they go laugh at me. They go laugh at me and I don't want to carry my children go village now. I still they find how they go take shop for now. Beg. Mona help me. Mona help me, oh, Mona help me.
So is it work or job? You want to do a job or you want to still do business?
If I see money, I will do business. But if I did not see money, I see somebody that will help me, that will be doing job for them to be paying me, I will still do.
Any type of job?
Any type of job, nanny job, whether says girl, whether says anything, whether cook. I can cook very well. I will still do.
Wow.
But for now, if I see money now, let me rent house for my children so that they will be sleeping.
Wow. So if you see money, are you going back to selling your drinks or is there any other business you want to venture in?
If I see money now, because I love the business so much, if I see money now that I can able to rent an apartment and a shop, I will still sell my drink. Yes.
Okay. Before the whole breaking down of Ilaje, your store and everything, what's your thought on the economy of the nation? How are you able to feed 3 children with this economy?
My sister, it's not easy. It's not easy because before that years, I normally buy bag of rice because bag of rice that time was at least 15,000, 30,000. But for now, I'm buying 1 derica of rice. 1 derica of rice, I will mix it with spaghetti so that the rice will come up, so that my children, they will belly full. Because 1 derica of rice is not enough for them. My daughter will ask me, Mommy, which kind of food are you cooking? Rice and spaghetti, you cook it. Sometimes I will cook spaghetti with beans so that the rice will be enough. So my daughter will just ask me, Mommy, this kind of food is too much. I say, you people should manage it. Based on the country now, it's not easy. It's not easy. For now, like this, it's not easy. It's not easy at all.
Okay. What's your advice to a lot of people watching there? Because you came to Lagos, you established yourself to an extent, having a shop, selling a business. It's not an easy task. So you've gone through a lot of things. You've passed through a lot of challenges.
A lot. So my advice to people outside there, because based on like some people now, you will see some people say, if I say like today now, if you go a lot of park, you will see some people coming to Lagos.
Yeah.
Because they don't know where they are going. Some of them, they just hear the name of Lagos, they will come. Because they don't have any siblings or any brother, they will just come to Lagos. My advice to them, if you saw yourself the way I saw myself in Lagos, just try to hustle something. Don't go and let me just sit down, or let me just go and be looking for one place that they are dancing or club, or let man carry me a night. Man will carry you a night, he will pay you 50,000. Tomorrow another man will carry you again, he will pay you 30,000. But believe me, that money is not good at all. You will not use that money for anything. But the money you suffer by yourself, you hustle by yourself, carry a lot of things, whether it's garri that you are selling or whether it's rice, is your money, because you know it's your sweat. So that is my advice for everybody that saw himself in any situation at all. You people should hustle hard and make your own money. It will be good.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Mama Oluchi.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you.